Olive oil works best when you use it wisely and every day. Not just sometimes, consistency is the real secret to its power. Olive oil can be one of the most powerful and beneficial ingredients for your health when used correctly. It is rich in flavor and filled with nutrients that can protect your heart, nourish your brain, and calm inflammation in your body. Yet so many people are unknowingly using it in ways that strip away its most valuable properties, turning what could be a healing superfood into something far less effective. In this video you will discover 7 simple, yet proven ways to unlock every bit of its health potential, each supported by scientific research and inspired by centuries of Mediterranean tradition. By the time you finish you will understand how to choose it, store it, and enjoy it in ways that make your body truly benefit from every drop. And you may even notice your energy lifting, your skin glowing, and your mood becoming brighter. Before we begin, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, so you never miss another tip, and share in the comments how you currently use olive oil. Now let us get started. 1. Mistakes that ruin olive oil. Before you can use olive oil the right way, you need to know how most people unintentionally ruin it. Many heat it to very high temperatures as if it were any other cooking oil, not realizing that excessive heat breaks down delicate antioxidants and healthy fats. Others leave it in clear bottles exposed to sunlight, or keep it near the stove where warmth accelerates oxidation. Some take a spoonful only once in a while and expect miracles. But without consistent use, the health impact is minimal. By identifying these mistakes, you are already halfway to unlocking its potential. 2. Pick quality extra virgin. The journey to unlocking olive oil's power starts with selecting the right kind. Extra virgin means it has been extracted mechanically, without heat or chemicals, which preserves vital antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E. Look for oils in dark glass bottles that shield them from light, and check for a harvest date, aiming for oil that is less than a year old for maximum freshness. A slight peppery sensation in the throat, and a hint of bitterness are signs of a high antioxidant content. Avoid refined or light olive oils, because they lack the nutritional richness of true extra virgin. 3. Store cool and dark. Even the finest olive oil will lose its benefits if stored poorly. Keep it in a cool, dark place, such as a cupboard away from direct sunlight and away from heat sources like the oven or stove. Make sure the bottle is tightly sealed after each use to reduce oxidation. Do not buy very large containers unless you know you can finish them within a reasonable time, because once opened, the oil begins to degrade. Treat it as a fresh product that needs protection, not as a pantry item that can sit untouched for months. 4. Use raw for max benefit. While cooking with olive oil at moderate heat is generally safe, heating inevitably reduces some of its delicate nutrients. To get the most benefit, drizzle it over dishes after they are prepared. Add it to salads, steamed vegetables, grilled fish, or warm grains right before serving. Using it raw preserves antioxidants, supports heart health, and reduces inflammation, while also enhancing the aroma and flavor of your food. This simple habit can turn an ordinary meal into a nutrient powerhouse. 5. Pair with antioxidant foods. Olive oil does not work alone, it works best when paired with the right foods. When combined with tomatoes, it boosts your body's absorption of lycopene, a strong antioxidant. Mixing it with leafy greens such as spinach or kale increases absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Even dipping fresh bread into olive oil with a sprinkle of herbs can create a nutrient-dense snack. Think of olive oil as a partner that enhances the benefits of the foods it touches. 6. Make olive oil a daily habit. The real benefits of olive oil come with regular use. Research suggests that 2 tablespoons a day is ideal for most adults. And you can spread this across your meals. Add it to breakfast toast, drizzle it over a lunchtime salad, and mix it into vegetables at dinner. Over time, consistent use can improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, support digestion, and even enhance skin health. Like exercise or hydration, the key is making it part of your everyday life. 7. The science behind olive oil's power. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated oleic acid, A healthy fat that helps lower LDL cholesterol while raising HDL cholesterol, creating a better balance for cardiovascular health. It contains a unique compound called oleocanthal, which has natural anti-inflammatory effects similar to certain pain relievers, yet without the side effects. The antioxidants in olive oil neutralize free radicals, slowing down the damage to your cells that leads to premature aging and chronic illness. Regular consumption has been linked to improved blood vessel flexibility, better blood flow, and a reduced risk of dangerous blood clots. It can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people managing insulin resistance. It also plays a role in protecting brain health, with studies showing slower cognitive decline among those who consume it daily. These benefits are not abstract numbers in research papers. They are changes you can experience over months and years, from having more energy in the morning to recovering faster after exercise. From feeling lighter in your digestion to noticing smoother skin when you look in the mirror. And here is what happens when olive oil becomes your daily habit. When high-quality extra virgin olive oil is used every single day, many people notice gradual but meaningful changes. Skin often appears fresher and more hydrated. Digestion may feel more comfortable, and energy levels tend to remain steady throughout the day. Some find that joint stiffness in the morning feels less intense. Mood stays more balanced, and restful sleep becomes easier to achieve. Others observe that they feel more satisfied after meals, which can support healthy weight management without feelings of restriction. These changes build over time, and the beauty is that they come from something simple, natural, and deeply enjoyable. Olive oil is not a miracle cure, it is a steady source of nourishment that works quietly to support your health when you choose it well. Store it properly, enjoy it raw, and make it part of your everyday meals. When you treat olive oil with attention and care, it becomes more than something you simply keep in the kitchen. It becomes a gentle yet powerful investment in your long-term health. By understanding its science, enjoying its flavor, choosing quality, and making sure you use it in the right way, you can turn an everyday habit into something deeply nourishing. Moderation is key, and knowing the right amount makes all the difference. Most experts find that 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is enough to give you heart-healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds without adding unnecessary calories. Many people enjoy a drizzle over fresh salads or vegetables, and another spoonful as part of cooking or on warm bread in the morning, which allows olive oil to fit naturally and pleasantly into daily meals. If you have any health conditions or specific dietary needs, remember to speak with a qualified health professional or your doctor before making significant changes to your diet, as this will help you choose the safest and most effective way to enjoy olive oil. So the next time you hold that bottle, remember that the magic comes not just from having it, but from using it with thought and balance. This simple act, repeated day after day, can quietly bring you steadier energy, a brighter mood, and a feeling of well-being that grows over time. If you enjoyed learning these essentials, join me in the next video where we will explore 7 surprising and scientifically supported benefits of pairing tomatoes with olive oil. The topic of 7 reasons to pair tomatoes with olive oil. A combination that is both delicious and powerful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. I'll see you there.